Well, hey, y'all. It's almost 2 o'clock, I think, in the afternoon, and I am walking through mid-calf high snow. This is so cool. I've never walked in snow like this. I went and got my rubber boots and dug them out because my other boots that I had on were soaking wet from coming out earlier. So, oh my God. That's what the stairwell upstairs looks like. You can tell they've come up and down a couple of times. But still, this is still just unreal. It finally stopped snowing. It's not snowing anymore. This is just the aftermath. And I don't know, it may start snowing again for all I know. But we spent all morning and most of lunchtime under blizzard watch. Can you believe that? Southwest Louisiana, and we were under blizzard watch. All right, it's cold. I'm going in. Bye for now.